Hello students, now we are going to learn how to solve the question number 4 and question number 5 in exercise 7.1 for class 12 students. Okay, so before going to the problem, if you don't subscribe our channel, first subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can get the updates immediately. Okay, so let's move on to the problem number 4. If the volume of the cube of side length x is v is equal to x cube, find the rate of change of volume with respect to x when x is equal to 5 units. Okay. So, we have given the volume of the cube of side length, that is volume of the cube is v, that is x cube. Okay, so the side length of the cube is x and the volume is x cube. Okay, so we have to find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Okay, so first we have to find what is dv by dx, that is the rate of change of volume with respect to the side length x. Okay, so we have v is equal to x cube, and to find dv by dx we have to differentiate this x cube, which is 3x square, that is x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Therefore, we will have dv by dx is equal to 3x square. Now, what we have to find is, we have to find the rate of change of volume with respect to x when x is equal to 5 units. So, we have to substitute the value of x here as 5. When dv by dx is at x is equal to 5. Okay. So, if you substitute x as 5 here, then we will be having 3 into 5 square, which is equal to 3 into 25, which is equal to 75 units. So, your dv by dx at x is equal to 5 is 75 units. Okay. So that's all about this problem. Very simple problem only. We have to just differentiate this volume with respect to side length x. Okay. So dv by dx will be 3x square, and we have to substitute the value of x as 5 in this dv by dx, so that your dv by dx at x is equal to 5 will be 75 units. Can you understand? Let's move on to the question number 5. If the mass mx in kilograms of a thin rod of length x in meters is given by m of x is equal to square root of 3x, then what is the rate of change of mass with respect to the length when it is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 27 meters? Like in the previous problem, we have to find here, they have given the mass value as m of x is equal to square root of 3x, and the rod length will be x. We have to find the rate of change of mass with respect to the length, and we have to substitute the value of x as 3 in that rate of change of mass with respect to length, and x is equal to 27 again. So let's move on to find what is the rate of change of mass with respect to the length x, that is dm by dx. We know that our m of x will be square root of 3x, and we can split this as square root of 3 and square root of x. Then we have to find what is your dm by dx. So to find that, we can write this root x as x power 1 by 2. So the square root will be defining as the power of 1 by 2. Root 3 into x power 1 by 2. Then we can find the rate of change of mass m with respect to x, that is dm by dx will be, root 3 will be constant, therefore we can take this out, and this will be written in the form x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. Therefore, here your n value is 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. Then this minus 1, x power minus 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 will be your square root of x, and there is a minus sign here. Therefore, the square root of x will be in the denominator. Therefore, we can write this 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 as square root of 3 into 1 by 1 divided by 2 into square root of x. The square root of x will be in the denominator because of the negative sign. Can you understand? So now we have find out what is your dm by dx. But what we have to find the dm by dx when it is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 27 meters. So your dm by dx at x equal to 3 will be equal to square root of 3 into 1 by 2 into, in place of x we have to substitute 3. Therefore, square root of 3 into 1 by 2 into square root of 3. Your square root of 3 and square root of 3 will get cancelled. Therefore, your answer will be 1 by 2. So, the unit of this dm by dx, the mass divided by length. The unit of mass is kilogram and unit of length is meter. Therefore, 1 by 2 kilogram by meter. Okay. So, dm by dx at x is equal to 3 will be equal to 1 by 2 kilogram by meter. And likewise, we can find dm by dx at x equal to 27 also. So, dm by dx at x is equal to 27 will be square root of 3 into 1 by 2. In place of x, we are substituting 27. Therefore, we can write this root 27 as root 3 into root 9. 3 9s are 27. Therefore, we can split this root 27 as root 3 into root 9. Now also the root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. So your answer will be 1 by 2 root 9. So root 9 is 3. Therefore 2 into 3 will be 6. Now we have arrived at answer as dm by dx at x is equal to 27 is equal to 1 by 6 kilogram per meter. So don't forget to mention this unit in your answer. Okay. So that's all about this problem. So just you have to find what is your dm by dx. You have given your m of x. So you have to find your dm by dx by differentiating this m of x and then substitute the value of x as 3 in dm by dx as well as x is equal to 27 in dm by dx. That's all your problem. And I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubts and questions, just mail me to yadunkelly20@gmail.com. And if you want any more problems to be solved in this chapter, just comment in this comment section. Thank you.